EPCB has been researching and serving the hotel industry for many years. Starting from the customer's first use site, EPCB provides a stable, safe and reliable boiler system. This is a Marriott hotel in Ghana. They need a boiler to provide steam for the hotel's laundry room. Marriott is the world's leading international hotel management company, and their selection of boiler equipment also strives for excellence. EPCB has won the trust of each other with professional technology and comprehensive services. Adopt three-way structure, and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. Adopt a high-quality and low-cost electronic control system. Accurate monitoring of boiler operating data will make your boiler safer. Equipped with reliable burner from well-known brand Italy Balter, Riello etc. The foil-cooled burns sufficiently, high combustion efficiency, low harmful gas emission and noiseless operation. Equipped with special auxiliary equipment for boiler, it has multiple interlocking protection functions, ensure boiler safe and reliable operation. At present, EPCB's boiler is operating stably, creating value for customers. Choose EPCB, choose your most assured product.